Hello and welcome. Today, we're unveiling a feature that will forever change the way you work with Unreal Engine. Meet Python execution in Ludus AI, a tool that opens the door to hundreds, even thousands of new scenarios, automating and streamlining every aspect of your work and combining all previously available Ludus AI tools into one. We'll show you 5 examples of how to use this new feature, but its potential uses are, in essence, infinite. Let's start with the basics. The Python execution feature allows you to control the Unreal Engine directly using text commands, and in conjunction with our existing tools, modify existing files and create new ones. If you're tired of setting up countless objects or editing them, just ask Ludus. Tell it how you'd like to arrange scattered assets across the scene, and Ludus will execute the command, organizing the scene according to your specifications. This way, you can modulate all available assets and their groups. The mood and lighting on a scene often do all the work, sufficient to give our level the desired character. It's worth experimenting with this, so tell Ludus how you'd like the lighting to behave at a specific level, and what mood you want to achieve, and it will automatically find and adjust all settings for you. Another great example of use is the placement of assets from the library in specific places on the scene. In this scenario, we'd like to place collectible coins on moving platforms. There are a total of 50 platforms here, so manual placement would take ages. Take some time to consider if there aren't too many, but in the meantime, let Ludus place the coins on them for you with a single prompt. Not sure if you've enabled Nanite somewhere? No problem. Ask Ludus to check all assets in terms of the selected setting, and then ask it to enable it where it's missing and where possible. This way, you always have the certainty that your settings have been applied globally, you haven't forgotten anything, and your project maintains the highest quality. The last flow we want to show you is a complete example flow, where Ludus itself understands the object's placement, creates a new file along with a blueprint, and gives it new behavior. Please sit back comfortably and observe how the selected box will be copied, and unlike the one visible on the scene, it will systematically jump, all in one prompt. Correct duplication of blueprint classes now works perfectly, and we know you were missing this. Here you can see how Ludus is creating blueprint class itself and generating logic itself inside of it. We hope these 5 scenarios have shown you how powerful and versatile Python execution in Ludus AI is. This is just the tip of the iceberg of possibilities waiting to be discovered. We are continuously working to make this new functionality in Ludus AI even more intuitive and effective, ensuring every Unreal Engine user can fully harness its potential. Additionally, we've enabled the generation of animation blueprints, and we'll be back soon with more updates, including support for macOS, material generation, and even generating animations from scratch. Claim your free trial at ludusengine.com and try out the most advanced AI assistant for Unreal Engine.